They say Davido contribute to an NGO. That's not true. I never asked him to make any contribution. He was the one. When I asked for, say, who send 100 million? He can say, no be him. But make her no worry. Next week he go do something. I never called him for that. Ask David, since you know me, whether I don't collect 1,000 naira from him before. 1,000! Or any of the 30 BG. Or any of their friends. Whether they don't give me 1,000. As a matter of fact, when we did London, he talking with him out. When somebody talks, a very dark man, you dey like say you know they collect money. Now he with him out, David. Now he say, Omo, I don't try to give this guy money. I don't see send, they collect. So I don't see this one shock now because now they push that narrative. Very dark man, after all Davido did it, ask him. As a matter of fact, when they call me, say make I come go meet him uncle governor. Say I go collect like 50 million. Actually, chatted them. A lot of people will be happy. You know, it will be 50 million. I bounce them. Ask them. The comment section is open. You see this media, what you don't know is bigger than you. Today, make I just address you now, right? You see that time I went to Lagos to go and meet Davido. Now me pay my flight ticket too. That hotel where they say Davido lodged me for hotel. Now me pay for the hotel. But guess what? For entertainment purpose, and because of course, we just leave her like that. The last time me and Davido even talk, now when that issue of that boy where say he go give $5,000 for Ghana, I think he forgot. People were now insulting me. Say you talk, say Davido don't give the body. I didn't know he forgot, or maybe he was busy. So I sent it to him in his DM. How far? Sharp, me they pay this boy. Because people were insulting me, thinking that we use the thing for clout. From there, they pay the guy. Ask him, or any of the 30 BG drop receipt. 1 penny from David, I never dropped. So recently, a lot of things don't happen. I say, say I betray David, go meet Burna Boy. Am I David's boy? I dey work for Davido. What do you mean by I betray David? If David and Burna Boy get problem, that's their concern. When I see Burna Boy, do you know the first thing he said to me? He said, I know they fear you. I know they fear you. In short, I bet no near me. Coco, come this side. Coco, come this side. We laugh. He goes, say, Baba, come this side. When we dey go club? He said, VDM, you no go ride for any other car. Me and you will get a lot of things to talk. Then he brought the issue of the car. He said, all the cars I buy some type where we say now like 200 that go make in a year. So those cars, I feel resell them in years to come. Then from there, we started talking about Nigeria. Me and Burna Boy dey club. We no move. Now talk, we talk. He say, okay, you know what, VDM, man, this club, we no fit talk well. This thing I tell you, money don't they reach. Now we take go apartment. We spoke about politics, Nigeria, progress of Nigeria, gets the youth working. That was basically what we spoke about. The video's topic did not come out. Whiskey topic did not come out. I was surprised. The next morning, he said, call me Dede. Uncle Dede. He said, call me Uncle Dede. Uncle Dede knows a lot of things about Nigerian history. That's what we did with Uncle Dede. Then he said, Omo, how far my birthday? Tomorrow was good. Then I went to go and protest with the children. Then towards the evening time, he sent me a DM. He said, Omo, he sent me a message on WhatsApp. He said, Omo, I see your protest. Man, I hope say these children go fit enter school. I just hope say we can go do something real quick. Before I can say, okay, make I see if I fit meet up for birthday. Where I take go the birthday. They say, oh, VeryDarkMan, he hates whiskey. Me? Me? Hate whiskey? For what? So because of say me and you don't know, make I hate everybody. Is that what people are saying? I tell them recently, I don't be anybody boy. Una respect una self.